Question 1. Which animal has no tongue? Fish. Question 2. Which animal has no heart? Jellyfish. Question 3. How many days are in a leap year? (366). Question 4. A tomato is a fruit. Question 5. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Question 6. In which state is the city of Miami? Florida. Question 7. How much is 2 plus 2 times 0?